Hi friends, if you want to create a medical service, especially dental service, dental clinic website, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to explore a very wonderful WordPress theme, and it is dedicated to dentist and dental clinic. And you can see the stunning look of the websites, demo websites on the screen that has been made using the theme, and you will get 4 pre-made, completely functional and full featured demo website with this theme, and this theme is DentiCare. So in this video we are going to overview the complete features and functionality of DentiCare so that you may decide about this theme and understand the functionality and all services that you can use using this theme. And DentiCare is a medical dentist and dental clinic WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Bold Themes. So Bold Themes actually made wonderful themes, and they are of course power elite authors. The theme DentiCare came into existence in 2020, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So DentiCare is a WordPress theme for dentists, dental practices, dental tourism practices. Its unique and diverse design and ready-made contents make this theme an excellent choice for dentist business. And as I said, you'll get 4 options to choose as a demo website for you. Let us quickly overview the already made website using the DentiCare WordPress theme, and each demo website has its own name. It is great. So Michael is here, Oscar and Everest and Ellen. Let us open Ellen. This is the Ellen demo of DentiCare WordPress theme, and it is really great. So I like this theme very much, and I'm using this theme at one of my website project as well. And you will get each and everything, like on the top of the design you will get a book an appointment form. This is basically a form, and it is going to give the users to options to book the appointment exactly, and it is with calendar. And another great feature that I got in this theme, that is cost calculator. So if it is about a dental clinic, it is also going to give a very wonderful options to create cost calculator like thing, and you can create a cost calculator using the options available in the theme backend. Okay, so unlike other videos, I am not going to install this theme. I am not going to show you how to install this theme, because I have already installed this theme at the demo instance for me, and I will directly take you to the dashboard to show the feature. Yes, I will definitely tell you the quick installation process as well. So you have to use the theme downloaded theme options, and if you have already taken the theme, you can proceed further. And if you have yet not taken your domain name or hosting, you can follow the link given in the description of this video and get the theme, domain and hosting, all these things that you need for your website. So I will tell you how quickly you can install the theme, import the demo as well. So it is the ready website with me. I will show you the backend as well, and all features and overview the functionalities. And these are the contents of the theme pack, and the theme pack contains licensing, the DentiCare main theme file and child theme file, along with the documentation file in the PDF format. And we are going to use this denticare.zip file for installation purpose. So same as other themes, you have to upload the denticare.zip file using the appearance theme sections. I have already uploaded the theme, and this is the theme. This is DentiCare. I am using version 1.1.6 as on date. This is being the latest version. While you are ordering this theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting the updated version. So this is already installed and activated. you have to simply upload the theme pack and activate the theme. After activating the theme, you will get an alert to install certain plugins, and these are the list of plugins I will certainly show you. So the best thing with the DentiCare the theme, and that is it has been developed by the Bold themes, and the Bold themes has its own page builder, and that works really very fine. So Bold builder is here. Bold builder is the page builder. In fact, Bold Timeline Lite is also here. It has been developed by the Bold theme itself. And again, another plugin is Bold Themes WordPress Importer is here. That is also developed by the theme developer originally. Contact Form 7 is here, and it is being used for creating various contact forms. As I shown you, the cost calculator is option is also here. Plugin is also here to create the cost calculator part of this website. And DentiCare plugin is dedicatedly for especially DentiCare options. So Metabox is also here. Timetable and event schedule is also here. This WP reset is not for you. And these are 8 plugins that are required for this theme, and you have to install all 8 plugins that will be prompted at your screen while you are installing the theme, and you have to install and activate all the plugins. And once you will install all the plugin, you'll get an option here in the tools section, that is BT import. And now I'm going to tell you another advantage of this theme. So you will get all the XML formats of demo data. Here we can import the demo, and you'll get all the XML format already pre-uploaded here, and you have to choose any of these demo websites. Like I already told you that each website has its own name. Ellen and the Everest, Oscar and Michael is here. So you can select any of the desired pre-made websites that you want for your website as demo website, and you have to simply click on the link here, and the demo import process will begin, and that will work fine while you are having an adequate hosting with you. So it will definitely work. Just in case if you are facing any issue during the demo import, you may check your PHP settings and also get in touch with us, just in case if you are facing any difficulty in installation process, and you will certainly able to install the theme, and you'll get a ready website like this. So this is Allen version, and it is ready, and I'll show you the inner pages as well. It works very fine. It is working very fast. As you can see on the screen, it is very fast, and I'll show you the cost calculator page as well. This is cost calculator, and it is really very interactive cost calculator page. So this is being the options, and you can select the options, and the price will be added here automatically, and further on the next screen the visitor can fill their information, and they can email the code directly to their email ID, and by simply submitting the code. And it is really a wonderful function, so that the visitors or the upcoming patients may understand what can be the cost of the treatment of their dental problems. Okay, so this is the front end, and the website is complete in all respects. And this is also shop option is also here, just in case if you want to use WooCommerce features, so you can install additionally, and shop you can add products for selling that product or service online. So this theme also supports the WooCommerce as well. And services page is also here, so I'll show you the service page as well. This is single service page, and you can see the stunning look and design, and every page, almost every page, has its own book an appointment feature. So you are going to get the complete call to actions and lead generation options with this. And yes, you can see this stunning image as well. This is the functionality. Before and after effect is also here, so it is good. And I'll show you the solutions page, and this is the solutions page, and where you can showcase the available solution along with the price cards if you just want to show, and it is really great. So I'll take you again to the backend, and I'll show you what are the additional things that we got in this installation. And this is very simple installation, and the control is very simple. So Bold Timeline is here, so just in case if you want to use timeline features, it is also here, and you can check the company history, like timeline feature is here, so you can create the timeline. And of course this is a wonderful feature. Cost calculator, as I told you, dental calculator, and you can see the dental calculator. So this is the cost calculator thing, and you can add things very simply. And this is of course being developed through, being managed through the Bold builder, and it is simple to use. Just you need to calculate or put the information in the pencil option, and you will be able to create the form. However, you can create your own form as well, so no need to use this one, and you can use this feature. So like add new options you can use, and you can use new form as well. So contact forms are here. So as I said, there are many contact forms here. And okay, so contact forms, I'll show you. Contact forms, welcome panel, short code, author date, and okay. So these are the many contact forms that has been used, and also booking appointment form is also here. So you can edit the book appointment form here, and you can also create your own. And these are the complete forms. So just be careful while you are customizing your websites. Don't disturb the existing ones, and you can make duplicate just in case if you are not handy to use the code part or the contact form 7 part, because it is going to impact your website, and these forms are directly being used on the website. So okay, so these are the book appointment form, and you can edit these sections easily. And again, the timetable of events and add event sections. So like you can use the dental clients, and event sections are here. So just in case if you are using the event for your website, so you can. So I must tell you, just delete those pages or sections that you are not exactly going to use at your website, because it is going to be indexed by the search engines, and it is not going to bring positive impact if you are using any showing any demo content at your website. So just delete the pages that you are not using. And the best part is that with this theme, that you are going to get only those pages that is related to particular demo websites. If you are importing the demo of LN website, you will get only the images and all stuffs like pages for this particular website. You are not going to get the complete set of images and all set of pages. So this is dedicated import, and this is why the XML imports has been given separately for you. Okay, so timetable is here, and you can add events, columns, and all such features are here. Again, so customize option is here. So you might be wondering how you are going to customize the things. So it is very simple. I'll show you the screen where you can customize the options. Basically this is being the theme panel as well. So in the general setting, like you can change the logo, and you can change the primary accent color and secondary accent color as well. So this is completely in your control only. And you can change the error page or background images here, and site identities here. So all general settings are available in the customize options. Typography is again in your control. You can change the font and sizes as well. Blog section is also here. I'm just giving you overview homepage setting. So these all things are here. And finally I'm going to show you the best thing, that is the Bold builder in this theme, and how you can edit the content of page. So just open the page that you want to edit, and there is an option of showing eye. So just click on eye, and you will be, the editor mode will be activated, and you can simply edit the sections that you want. It is more than simple. Even I feel this is more than easy in comparison to Elementor and WP Bakery people, at least for me. So simply click on the edit section and you will be able to edit the content, and just click on the area that you want to edit and you can change the images as well. So just keep in mind you have to use same length text and same dimension of image that you are going to use at your website that has been used in the demo website, so that integrity of design may remain intact for your website as well. It is very simple and it is very effective builder, as I have seen in my experience, and you can simply create the pages and the sections of your website using this folder. And simply, just in case if you don't want to keep the particular area, you can delete the sections. So already pre-made pages are here. You can use those pages directly to your website, and I'll show you the page number of pages, how many pages are here. So published pages are 55. So you are going to get complete pages like clients, company history, doctor's profile, locations, and the news post pages like thing. So you don't need to, I believe you will be able to use these pages directly for your website. You just need to update the content and the text, and all pages are here only. You can use these pages directly. So I believe this is going to be best selection for your dental clinic website. This theme is perfect. DentiCare is here. So you can simply get this theme by following the link given in the description. You can start building your website. Just in case if you are facing any issue, don't hesitate in asking any question using the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch with us by following the WP Themes website link that is given in the description as well. So let us meet in our another video in which I am going to bring another WordPress theme, another wonderful WordPress resource for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.